Hello, and welcome to this training session provided by CAD Manufacturing Solutions. I'm Tracy, and we're starting you off with the basics using INTELLICAD today. First, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the toolbar. Up here is where we can change the workspace that we're currently using. At the moment, we're in drafting and annotation mode. And then down here is our command line, which you will very soon be accustomed to using. Right here is where you'll be able to view your command history, if need be. You have your program menu, and I want to draw your attention all the way over to the right to the Help tab. At the very bottom here, you can select About and learn about the current version of software you are using. Let's get right into learning how to draw a line. There are a couple of different ways that we can approach this, and the first way is by using the editing toolbar on the left and select the line option at the very top. The other way to accomplish this that we're going to start using right now is by command line. Simply typing line and enter begins our draw a line function. The first thing it prompts us for is for the XY coordinate of our starting point. So we'll type 2, 2, and that's our first coordinate. The end point of our line will be 5, 2, and you can press escape to stop this function. Picking up where we left off with that last endpoint, we're going to do our next endpoint at 5, 5, enter. This draws the next segment of our line. I want to show you another way that you can do this. If you go up to the menu, choose Draw, and then Line, and you can achieve the same line draw functionality from here as well. Continuing with this shape that we're working on, if you hit Enter, you can use the last point. And then our next endpoint will be 2, 5, enter. To finish up with this shape, you're going to hit enter. 2, 2, enter is our last endpoint there. And now we're back to where we started and we have our square. In the event that you have made a mistake, you can use the shortcut U, enter, and that will undo the last command that you entered. Let's redo that last endpoint at 2, 2 real quick. And there you have it. You have just made a beautiful square. Now we want to add some annotation to that so we can show off the dimensions. Let's first go up to our menu options and then go to dimensions, and we're going to add linear dimensions. Simply select both endpoints of a line and then draw upwards and you have a linear dimension. We can quickly do that again with the right side of our square. I want to thank you so much for learning with us. We'd like to remind you to stay up to date about our software news at intellicadms.com. See you at our next training session.